Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to change your location on Roblox. So simply you can see we have created this account recently on Roblox. So now what we need to do, you can see there are multiple options here. Just click on these three dots. So when you click on these three dots, you can find many options here, but what we need to do, just click on settings. So when you open the settings here, you can see the account info option. So simply click on account info option. So when you open this, so here you can see your account details. So now Roblox has updated version. So in this version you cannot change your location, but in older version you can change your location on Roblox. So in this new updated version you cannot change your location on Roblox.